Next tool is product research. Should we go quickly for that?
Let's go,
Or
man.
maybe how I am doing the product research, I can just show filtration. But guys, the product research is the base part of the Amazon. If you in China, we say if you are not selling good product meaning it's suitable for you, it's your product. Like if there is not the good product you are selling, no one can save you on the Amazon, even Jeff Bezos. So the product selection, finding the product is the fundamental and the very important part of the Amazon journey, right?
Hmm.
I believe you would agree with me.
Yeah,
If you
yeah, man.
if you decide the wrong product, uh, even Jeff Bezos cannot save you from the Amazon. So just I can show the how we do recent product research.
Please do, man. Please
Okay,
do.
we have a lot of the filtrations here. Okay, I'm just gonna use some of them, not many. Do you
Hmm.
prefer any the category I can select to do product research in this one of those categories?
I mean, we started with the baby. I used to have a baby product myself. It was a anti-loss wristling. I don't know if you remember that one, or have you seen that? Or it's like a little kind of a leash that was added to a hand of the adult, and the other part would go to the hand of the kid. So
I
this
know, I
was
know.
we used to sell
Mm.
that. That was interesting times. But yeah, let's do baby category, man.
Okay. Meanwhile, guys, you can go to the sub niche, and the select any sub niche. For example, if you can do the product research only and the caution here, not any
Hmm.
subcategory, or you can rare facing mirror subcategory, etc. But now, today, I'm gonna just leave the baby category, the full baby category. We are gonna do product
Hmm.
research. Okay. So what I do is minimum sales volume, I go to like 350. The variation, I don't put anything. The price I go to is $40. This is the total choice, guys. You can put different numbers. Uh, I just put a random number here. But what's a very important part is here. Rating, I'm gonna put here 200 because if someone has launched a product and they has already around 200 reviews, they are selling 350 units, it means those guys finished the launching phase. Now they got settled down. They wouldn't keep the unprofitable product with 200 reviews, right?
Very
It
interesting.
means they they got the 200 reviews. It means they have been on the market enough time and they are kind of profitable. For example, if we got the product sell or first, second, third month, it's not profitable, we wouldn't continue because it's constantly losing the money. And the next one, very important. I'm gonna put here and the profit margin, gross margin, profit margin. Like I'm gonna put here 70%. 70% meaning from the product cost, we dedicate Amazon FBA fee and a referral fee. Except that we suppose it as a margin because we don't know what's your product price, shipping cost, advertising cost, etc., etc. Therefore, we just put here 70%, minimum 70%. So there are a lot of filtrations like Amazon FBA, FBM, Unlimited, or sellers, or you can put the monthly sales grow, BSR change, package dimension, etc. I'm just leaving all those empty and like this. Very important parts here. Gross margin minimum 70% and the rating count 200.
Gotcha.
Now I'm gonna do,
In
yeah,
gross margin 70%, let me see if I understood you. Let's say a product costs $100. If gross margin
okay.
70%, it means $30 are going for Amazon FBA referral or Amazon kind of referral fee plus FBA fee. And these are $30 and the extra 70 are left for us to kind of for our product price, etc. But in the case of $100 price product. If
Yes.
gross margin 70% means that 30% go to Amazon fees of this or other kind. Other 70 is for us to, base our kind of for us to have like the product price, shipping costs,
Yes.
Okay, I understand that. Fine. Just wanted to make sure.
Yes. Yeah, that's PC cost, product cost, your profit, etc. Okay, now do a quick search. There are 298 products, and we are gonna see those products here. And meanwhile, we can see the horizontal, their sales, their revenue, their metrics. And I might put here, let's remove Amazon vendor as well. I'm just putting here FBA, just to narrow down more to get the exactly. So we remove some product and they left only 193 product. For example, maybe this is the very crazy guy. They launched this product 1 year ago and their sales are crazy. Maybe that's the big brand. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. They launched this product last year, 11 months ago. The price is here and the revenue is too much. It's over like 3 million. I don't know. Maybe that's a big brand. Let's leave it out and we can go to analyze another product, not this one. This one is one of the biggest baby brand, Mom Cozy. I don't wanna go for that, but we can see this product. This is kind of private label brand. This is the private label brand, not the big brand. So from here, we saw this product launch in June, 4 months ago. Here we are gonna see FBA fee, the product price, and their revenue is over 100K last 30 days. It's sharply increasing. I'm not sure they finished their launching phase or not, but at least this product is something you can open and see what's going on. What we are doing, we are opening this product on the next here, and we'll go analyze more. This is something cream and the washing stuff. I don't want to go deep. This product is kind of also very good sales, like 162,000. I don't want to go with that. Okay, you see, Evan, this product we find second one already. They launched 5 months ago. Their sales are over 50,000. So this product could be potential because we find this guy. We find this guy. They have 40 reviews, already selling more than 1,000 units.
Wow.
And this is also similar. This guy has 135 reviews and their sales are over 2,000 units. So it means there are several guys in the market launched just a few months ago and they got over 50,000 sale, 50,000 revenue. Okay, you see, Evan, we see the third product. They have very pretty similar metrics. You see the 46,000 launched 2 months ago, 50,000 launched 5 months ago, and where is that? This guy, 180,000 launched 4 months ago. So it might mean, okay, there is the chance for this product. Already we have seen 3 products in the market doing at least 50K on the market, similar products, similar time frame, similar reviews. So our approach is that open these products and analyze. Of course, we see there is a kind of chance. You can go to analyze deeper. You can see the keyword conversion, PPC beats, or are you going to be profitable? What's the product price in China? Shipping or regulation? This is kind of, do you need any customization or do you need any the certificate, etc., etc. You can analyze, but the approach is like this, basic, but still it's working. So you see random, like guys, I didn't prepare and I didn't check anything before coming here to do research
Mhm.
here. Even I asked Evan, do you prefer any sub category we do analyze? We just select it and define these three products. It might be helpful because same guys selling same things and the same metrics. It could work for you. How is the filtration? Filtration, we just put here minimum sales volume, the
Mhm.
price range you can put by yourself. Guys, this is the screenshot. We leverage this the filtration. Maybe you can just take screenshot of this filtration, how we use these filters, monthly sales, price, and the very important two metrics, rating count plus the gross margin. You can play those the rating count 100 or 150 or 200 is maximum 200 is fine. We are gonna find out the products finish the launching phase and they are kind of establishing in the market. The gross margin, you can start with 75. If you find many products, like if you put 70 here, you got 200, 300 products, you can narrow down more. You can put the higher gross margin. It means you are gonna pay to Amazon less and you have more money, or these products are kind of high value product or differentiated or kind of a little expensive or maybe small but expensive kind of the product. So you have enough budget for PPC, marketing, profit, returns, etc., etc. Because if your the gross margin is very small, like the 50%, it automatically means your the profit is going to be under 10%. It's
Mhm.
kind of roughly correlation. So go as high as gross margin, and if you don't find product, go down, pull down, less number, less number. Hopefully, you can find your next product.
Nice, very interesting approach, man. Thank you. I really appreciate it, and I liked how we saw like a few products that are kind of repeating themselves. We found three of these portable baby bottle warmers, something like this, and all of them were killing it.
Yes.
Low reviews, like relatively new to the market, and everyone is kind of getting sales. So then, as you mentioned, we can see exactly maybe that's a nice indicator, but maybe there's a lot of regulation for that product, so it's gonna be hard for us. Or maybe there is, no more room for differentiation, say, and we can see that a few established sellers are taking most of the sales and the new competitors that are getting in are not able to get sales, for example. So then we might think like, okay, we can maybe try if we have some other angle, then maybe we can also try this niche. But yeah, man, nice. And also the gross margin idea is good because again, already we're seeing products that have, as you said, maybe it's smaller products with higher prices, so FBA fees are low, but but they're selling for high price basically. So if it's hopefully priced low as unit cost, or low means like whatever fits, of course, our criteria, but these kind of products, at least initially straight away, give us, well, as the parameter here, gross margin, higher gross margin, which eventually will turn into hopefully some money in our pocket. Because on Amazon, if you are, well, I guess if these numbers don't add up, Amazon can eat all the fees. Then you have PPC, you have refunds, returns, and then you're left with very low amount of money. So then you have either always to use funding, or it's just going to be very hard, especially for small businesses who maybe don't yet have money that they can get as funding. So for beginners or even for established sellers, these products are good. They're good for everyone, but especially for beginners who don't have, in my opinion, access to or less access to funding and will have to use their own money to grow, these kind of products can be good to start with. So thanks for sharing, man. I appreciate it. It's very interesting.
You are welcome. Welcome. Please, guys, let me know if you have any question. We can analyze or say there what we have opinion, how we would be helpful,
Yeah.
etc. Anything, just let me know.